Festo celebrates 40 years of its existence here in India and of course 100 years across the globe. We are, as a company, we are very proud today to be participating in INTEC. We have brought in for the customers here in the South the latest in technologies from seamless connectivity to digitalization to, the trending industry trends today of battery manufacturing and of course for students who are looking for advanced training concepts. For a world in motion, you have components right from the smallest of actuators to the most smartest of sensors, and then systems put together and tailored specifically for special applications that the industry is demanding today.